To update an Android application, we have two ways. Either we can do it automatically or manually. To proceed to the demo, we'll go to a device. Let's say in order to update an application, we can go to our Android device. We can go to settings. We can go to applications here. Within the settings, we have to go to applications. Within applications, we have to go to manage applications. And we can go to the Play Store app. Okay. So here you can see that we have a Google Play Store app which helps us in updating all the applications available in the device. Okay. So now what we can do is, let's say if we go down here, you can see that you have the permission model and all the information, whatever you want is displayed here. Clear? Now what I have to do, we have to understand how we can update individual applications using this Google Play Store app. So we can go to our home screen, and within the home screen we can go to Play Store app. So here we have the Play Store app at the top. Let's open the Play Store, and within this Play Store we'll understand from where we can manage the updates. So before the application loads, let me just take you to the help section, and here on your Google Play on support.google.com you can see that we can set up automatic updating and we can update applications manually as well. Okay, so what we can do is we can go to the Play Store app, we can go to settings, we can auto update applications, or else what we can do is we can go to my apps and games and we can press update all, and whenever the updates are available, application will be updated manually. So here how we can go to the device, and you can see that we have individual sections here. So we have sections for apps and games here. So what we can do is we can tap the menu. So we are into apps and games at the moment. So here you can see that you have a list of apps which are available within your apps and games. Is we can go to the menu option here. On the menu we can go to settings, and within the settings you can see that in the notifications section we have app updates available. Apps were auto updated, so we have selected auto updation. So whenever an application is updated on Google Play Store, it will be updated automatically on the device. So this is like automatically updation of the apps. We can open this option and we can see that we are auto updating apps over, or else if we want to deny auto updation we can go to do not auto update. But updating your applications with Google Play Store is important, because in case if a previous application has some malicious problems or some vulnerabilities, once the vulnerabilities are updated they will be automatically available on your mobile devices. The next part is, in case if you want to update that manually, you can go to menu, you can select apps and games, you can go to my apps and games, and within my apps and games you can see your install applications, and here the update key is displaying that you can update an individual app or you can update all applications as well. So at this moment we have the updates available for all the following applications, and if we want we can update these applications. So here updates have been installed for these applications automatically. Okay, so once you upload your application to Play Store, the new application will be updated automatically if your phone has auto updates on, or if you want to update anything manually you can proceed to your Play Store app and you can update your application. So this is all about permission models, protection level, code signing, the algorithms which are used to sign application, a basic reverse engineering of the application, and how the applications are updated. So once we will be ready with the foundations of Android operating system, its applications, how the updates are done, then we will proceed to hacking into applications and hacking into Android devices. So in the next session, we'll continue for the next topics in mobile security.